Hi, I'm Todd Amazine. I've been an internet business consultant for 15 years. I'm going to show you how to use Outlook with Hotmail.
Microsoft Outlook is a registered trademark of the Microsoft Corporation, a company with which I have no affiliation. With Microsoft Outlook open, click Tools from the menu bar, scroll down and select Email Accounts. Select Add a new email account and click on Next. Click on HTTP as your server type, and now we're going to click on Next. In the user information area, next to your name, click in the box and type in the name that you want people to see when they receive emails from you. In the email address line, type in your Hotmail account. To the right under server information, make sure that the HTTP mail service provider is selected as Hotmail. Under username, retype your email address. And under password, type in the password for your Hotmail account. And now we're going to click on Next. And now click on Finish. Now, in order for your Hotmail account to properly work with Microsoft Outlook, you'll also need to download Outlook Connector. And we'll show you how to do that. Open a browser and search for Outlook Connector using any search engine you choose. You'll see a result called Download Details, Microsoft Outlook Connector. Click on that and simply follow the instructions given to you by the Microsoft Outlook website. When installation is complete, you'll see on the left-hand side that your Hotmail account will be set up. You can simply visit the inbox, type a new email, and use Hotmail directly from Outlook just like you would from the web or just like you would any other email account you have set up with Outlook.
I'm Todd Amazine.